Hey, so Will here from PPC Coach. So today I just wanted to talk to you about an exciting challenge that I'm taking on, and that is making 100,000 in the next year using Etsy and Shopify with print on demand. So making six figures is something I've done before, but I wanted to set the goal at the point that it is achievable for everyone. I'm not promising you will make that much money. I'm saying that is my goal. After all, the only guarantees in life are death, taxes, and that things will change. So, if you're not familiar with print on demand, it's a business model where you create designs and upload them to a platform, and the platform handles the production and shipping of the products for you. This means you don't have to worry about inventory or fulfillment. You just focus on creating and marketing your designs. I've been doing this for a long time now, and I've gotten really good at it. So, excuse me. Etsy and Shopify are two popular platforms for print-on-demand businesses, and in this challenge, I'll be using both to sell a variety of products, including necklaces, message cards, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tumblers, and more. So over the next year, I'll be sharing my journey with you every step of the way, from coming up with ideas for designs, to setting up Etsy and Shopify stores, to marketing and promoting the products. And I'll also be sharing any challenges and setbacks that I face along the way, as well as the lessons I learned. So the goal of this challenge is to show you that it's possible to create a successful and profitable print-on-demand business, even if you're just starting out and don't have a lot of experience. So by following along with my journey, I hope to inspire and motivate you to take the leap and start your own print-on-demand business online. So if you're ready to join me on this exciting journey, make sure to join my group coaching program so you don't miss any of the training or updates along the way. Now, there are 5 basic steps I'll be taking every month to accomplish my goal. Step 1 will be setup. So this is a one-time deal where I'll be setting up an Etsy shop and a Shopify store that I'll be using throughout the challenge for the year. I'll be filling up these 2 platforms with print-on-demand products. Step 2 is research. I'll be researching what is working at that time, depending on the time of year. So I have a repeatable system for this, and I'll be teaching how to research products that sell. Step 3 is design. Once I have everything set up and research done, I'll be designing the images that will be going on the products that I'm selling. There's several ways I'll be doing this, depending on the product being sold and basically the time of year. So step 4 is uploading. So a key part of print on demand is you only need an image file in order to create your product. In fact, the physical product doesn't even exist until someone buys it from you. That is when it goes to production and is printed, packed, and shipped by the print on demand company that you're using. So I'll be doing this a lot in my 100K challenge. Step 5 is marketing. The old saying goes, if you build it, they will come. But that's not true with starting your own online business. When you have everything set up, researched, designed, and uploaded, you're still missing one key ingredient. You have to have people looking at your wonderful products in order to buy them, and you make money. That's where the marketing side comes in, and I'll be hitting this from 3 different angles. So I'm going to be using free marketing methods to get sales on my 2 stores. I'll be using paid ads to get people looking at my products and buying from me. And of course, I'll be using email marketing quite a bit to get repeat buyers of all my products. When combining those 3 different types of marketing, you're going to make like a lot of sales. I think a lot of print-on-demand sellers give up basically after step number 4. Not me and not you though. We'll be taking this whole challenge through to completion over the entire year. So I'll be following this schedule in my year-long challenge each month. So week 1, I'm going to introduce kind of the project for that month. For example, if it's Valentine's Day, I'll be teaching how to sell products that people can give as gifts for Valentine's Day on Etsy and Shopify. If it's Mother's Day, I'll be teaching products that suit that event. If it's in between a major holiday, I'll be teaching how to sell evergreen products like birthday gifts and anniversary gifts, and even, wedding gifts is more of a seasonal thing, but there's a lot of money in that too, especially on Etsy, as you'll see. So week 2, I'll be doing research and designing products, getting them ready to upload to both Etsy and Shopify. Week 3 of the month, I'll be marketing the products I created and teaching how I'm doing it both with free and paid ads, and I'll be mixing both of them. Week 4 of each month will be kind of a catch-up week, also called an implementation week, where you'll be able to catch up on all the training that you procrastinated on not doing for the first 3 weeks. So it will also give me a chance to catch up too, as I can put things off with the best of them. So you're not alone. Then the next month, we'll go through it all again. We'll build one Etsy shop, one Shopify store for the whole year. And like when I thought of this year-long challenge, I knew I had to cover the basics of goal setting and staying motivated. And for me, that means setting a monetary goal and setting a deadline to achieve that goal. So 1 year and 100,000 is a good solid goal for anyone to have. Even if it's a little on the low side for me personally, I know that not everyone has the same experience or success that I've been lucky enough to have in my print-on-demand business so far. So I think this 100,000 year-long challenge is going to be a lot of fun. And since I've been doing this kind of thing for almost 4 years in my group coaching program, you'll get access to all my prior trainings too. There's about 40 of them in there right now. And each of those challenges that I've done individually in the past, all 40, they have 3 sessions, kind of like the format I just explained. And each session is minimum 1 hour long. So right now, inside the group coaching program, there's about 120 hours of training available to you, covering everything under the sun when you want to start your own online business and when you want to do it with print on demand. So plus, I mean, if you have any questions or you want to share your own experiences with print on demand, you can do so at any time in the forums where the group coaching program takes place. I think if we all take this seriously, there's going to be a lot of 6-figure and even some 7-figure business owners by the end of this year-long challenge. So the goal is not only to hit my goal for myself, but to keep you motivated and have you hit that right along with me. So I have zero doubt we can do this, and I cannot wait to get started. So in summary, my goal is to make 100,000 in 2023 using Etsy and Shopify with print on demand, and I'll be sharing my journey with you every step of the way. If you want to join me on this exciting challenge and learn how to create a successful and profitable print on demand business, make sure to join my group coaching program. Let's do this together. Have a great day, and we'll see you in there.